Hello, dear students. My name is Chandrasekhar, and today we are going to talk about an important topic, and that is women empowerment. We know that in the world, both the genders, male and female, play an important role in the growth of the society, of the country, and of the world. But most of the times, women are considered as the secondary citizen, and men think that they are the front runner of the country. But that is not the fact, and that's why we talk about women empowerment. So there are various definitions of women empowerment. Some person think that women empowerment is to live the life you want, while the other person think that women empowerment means to contribute for the betterment of the society. So I have two students with me to speak on this topic. Let's listen to their opinion and try to find out what is women empowerment. So Tanish, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So share your opinion one by one on the topic women empowerment. Let's start.
So, good evening, all. My name is Tanish Chaturvedi, and I am going to speak on the topic of women empowerment. So, according to me, women empowerment means that we empower the women for doing their works and their jobs and simply uplift them in the society. Like in India, if you feel bad, I don't care about it, but in our society it is mainly the patriarchal mindset. Like the people are having the patriarchy mindset, and there are three type of mindset: patriarchy, feminist, and monarchy. Monarchy means it is opposite to the patriarchy, where women are superior than men, and feminist means they are promoting both men and females are equal. So in the Indians, they think that the women are secondary citizens in the society, and men are first, and they are run the country, and they can only run the country. But it is not truth. Like we can see that our president of India is also Draupadi Murmu, so she is a female. And also many people are saying that women can't do anything, but many things women can do. Like PV Sindhu, all know that she is in badminton, and also she plays many badminton, and also for India she wins many gold medals in Olympics. And also she went to this Olympic 2020, Paris Olympic 2024 also. And also many movements are doing their work, like the Kalpana Chawla, she went in the space for the space exploration. And also now many movements are also becoming the businessmen, and also many men are promoting it. Like people think that if we are feminists, so our attitude will decrease in our society, but it is not happen. Like many celebrities are also following, like the Amitabh Bachchan, Imran Khan, these type of all celebrities are following the feminist path. So that's all about my point.
Okay, so Tanis has mentioned three words. One is patriarchal society, the second one is feminism, and third one is monarchy. Monarchy is also known as matriarchal society. So everything has their definition and the concepts. Many people believe in one, while other people believe in the other concepts. So ma'am, what's your opinion about the women empowerment? What is women empowerment according to you, and how do you see it?
I would like to place my views on the topic of patriarchy, women empowerment. So I think that women empowerment is play very important role in our society. If we see about earlier in our society background, then we saw that many number of women don't play many remarkable role in their family, and all men took all important decision, and they never asked him about their decision. But after
Okay, take your time. Ma'am wants to say that women were not asked for their opinion for decision making. All the prominent decisions used to be taken by males in our societies earlier, but time has been changing, and women are also considered as a prominent member to take decision, whether to buy a furniture in the house or to take any decision or making a relationship or getting children married. In every type of matter, women are also considered as a decision maker. So take some more time and gather your thoughts. Till I would like to conclude you. How would you conclude in 1 minute to this topic?
So I would like to conclude this topic as to my perspective and the man's perspective. So ma'am want to say that we have to empower it like in every single place, like the according to the house, children's marriage and any other sector, women should have their priority to take their decisions. And according to my points, we should follow the feminist path, and also many people having different opinions, but we should promote the women empowerment.
Give it to ma'am. Ma'am, how would you conclude the topic today? What are your thoughts about women empowerment?
I think that nowadays women took all important decision and they are financially self-dependent. And if they want to if they want to go anywhere, they decide to go there, and it is very useful to make their self empowerment.
Okay,
Thank
that's
you.
right. So women can take their decision on their own. Not only their decision, but also they can also take decision for the other members in the society. And if it can be done, then it can be said as the women empowerment. So there are so many other points to discuss on this topic, but we'll conclude it by saying that yes, of course, men and women both are equal, and everyone should be empowered. Women are being empowered. Men should also empowered in many ways.
Yes.
Thank you for coming and participating in this discussion.